Okay, that's alright. See, I know when I ain't wanted.
Okay, yeah, call me back later.
No, I ain't calling you back because I'm trying to talk to you now like a decent person.
I'm trying to film a video though.
It ain't even on.
It is on. It's on.
Hey, this me, y'all. Hey. Hey, this me. I'm the one that helped her. Cause she be, hey, come here. That radio land.
Okay, it's on.
Okay, YouTubers.
All right, get off the phone. You gotta hang up.
Wait, put me on the phone.
No, you are on the phone. Hey, I gotta go.
This gonna make your video the bomb.
Oh my goodness.
Everybody in YouTube, man.
You gonna help me do my walkthrough?
What's that?
You gonna tell them what I'm doing as I'm doing it, okay?
Oh no, I'm great.
Nah, stay on the phone.
No, I don't know how to do it.
Nah, stay on the phone.
Okay.
Okay.
This is how she look when she start off real ugly. And then she really not pretty. It's the trick camera. It's the YouTube filter.
Don't tell them that. It ain't no filter on here.
She lying, y'all.
Okay, so come on.
You don't want me on it.
Come on.
Okay, y'all.
Just tell them what I'm doing.
She removing the net.
So I'm getting ready to wash my hair. So first, before I wash it, I'm gonna brush through it. Okay.
Talk to the people. Ooh, did y'all hear that? Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Alright, enjoy, have fun.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Okay, bye. So guys, I am brushing my hair out before I even let any water hit it because it is going to be tangly. Ooh. Excuse the noise in the background. That is my washing machine here in the kitchen making all that noise. So I am just brushing the curls out. Oh, sweet Jesus. Oh, help me out, Lord. Alrighty. So my hair is all brushed out and got a fro going on here. But anywho, let's get into the shampoo and the conditioner. looks so cute. This looks so cute. Livened up my hair. I like the way they do that right there. All right, I feel like a new person. All right.
My arms feel like they finna break off.
Okay, thank you, and thank you guys for watching this transformation. I needed it. So be sure to comment, subscribe, and like this video, and share with everybody. I don't care if you share it 2, 3, 4 times. Share it to the same person. They gonna click on it. You gotta be persistent. Shoot. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good day. Oh.